Welcome to Simple English Learning Process. Animal's name. American Bashkir Curly, Appaloosa, Estonian Draft, Arabian, Belgian Warmblood, Badini, Canadian Pacer, Carolina Marsh Tacky, Chilean Horse, Chincoteague Pony, Choctaw Horse, Chinese Guoxia. Imagine an animal that helped humans travel across the world, fight battles, discover new lands, and even win hearts. Strong, fast, loyal, and beautiful. This animal is the horse. But horses are not just animals we ride. They are full of mystery, surprising facts, and even myths. So get ready, because today we are going on a long journey into the amazing world of horses. Horses are one of the oldest friends of humans. For thousands of years, people have lived with them, used them for work, travel, sports, and even wars. But do we really know everything about horses? Many things about them will surprise you. Horses first appeared on Earth about 50 million years ago. But they were not like today's horses. They were small, almost like a dog. Slowly they grew bigger and stronger. About 5,000 years ago, humans started keeping horses. From that time, they changed human life forever. Horses can sleep while standing. Yes, they don't always need to lie down. A horse's eyes are among the largest of any land animal, and they can see almost 360 degrees around. They can run very fast. The fastest horse recorded ran about 88 kilometers per hour. Horses can understand human feelings. If you are sad, they can feel it. Horses are part of many legends. In Greek myth there is Pegasus, the flying horse with wings. Some cultures believed that horses could talk at night. In old times people thought a white horse brings good luck, while a black horse could bring mystery or danger. Horses helped in wars, carried kings and soldiers, pulled carts, and carried heavy loads. Without horses, history would be very different. Even today, they are used in farming, sports like horse racing, polo, and even therapy for sick people. Horses have great memory. They never forget a person who treats them well or badly. They can recognize their owner's voice. Horses use their ears, eyes, and even nose to communicate. Most people think horses are just for riding or racing. But did you know horses can even help heal people? Yes, in many places, sick or sad people spend time with horses and they feel better. Isn't that amazing? Horses are not just strong animals. They are also healers. There are more than 300 breeds of horses. Arabian horses, very beautiful and strong. Thoroughbred, famous for racing. Clydesdale, big and strong for pulling heavy loads. Each breed has its own story. More fun facts. Horses can drink up to 25 gallons of water a day. A horse's teeth never stop growing. They communicate with each other by neighing, snorting, and even body movements. Horses in culture. From paintings to poetry, from movies to fairy tales, horses always had a special place. They are a symbol of freedom, speed, and beauty. So next time you see a horse, don't just think of it as an animal. Think of it as a friend of humans, a partner in history, a hero of legends, and even a healer of hearts. Horses have been with us for thousands of years, and they will always remain one of the most amazing creatures on earth. Akalteke, Cleveland Bay, Clydesdale, Colorado Ranger, Comtois Horse, Connemara Pony, Czech Warmblood, Danish Warmblood, Delibos Horse, Dutch Draft, Dutch Harness Horse, American Miniature Horse, Dutch Tygepard, Dutch Warmblood, Dutch Warmblood, East Bulgarian, Einsiedler, Eriske Pony, Exmoor Pony, Falabella, Rus, Fell Pony, American Cream Draft, Finn Horse, Frisian, Gallicino, Garrano, Gidran, Gelderlander, Gypsy Cob, Groningen Horse, Hackney Pony, Hackney Horse, American Paint Horse, Haflinger, Highland Pony, Holsteiner, Icelandic Horse, Irish Draught, Irish Hunter, Irish Sport Horse, Jeju Horse, Kathiawari, Karber, American Saddlebred, Criollo, Cladruber, Lipizan, Lithuanian Heavy Draught, Lusitano, Mangalarga Marcheda, Marwadi, Missouri Fox Trotter, Morgan, Mountain Pleasure Horse, American Shetland Pony, New Forest Pony, Norikar, Oldenburg, Paso Fino, Percheron, Quarter Horse, Peruvian Paso, Shetland Pony, Shire, Standardbred. Andalusian horse. Swedish warmblood. Tennessee walking horse. Thoroughbred. Tracker. Welsh pony. Westphalian. Wielkopolski. Australian stock horse. Bavarian warmblood. Belgian draft horse. Andalusian. Boerperd. Boulognese. Brazilian horse. Camargue horse. Camargue. Carthusian horse. Cheval des Marins. Dale's pony. Dartmoor pony. Criollo. Georgian grand horse. German warmblood. Guoxia. Gypsy Vanna. Hackney horse. American Mustang. Hanoverian. Lozino horse. Pony of the Americas, POA. Westphalian. Württemberger. Haflinger horse. Irish Draught. Hispano-Arabe. Italian Heavy Draft. Kentucky Mountain Saddle Horse. Knabstrupper. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and click a bell icon.